Okay, here we are. Addie is complaining because she doesn't want chicken nuggets. She doesn't like the way they taste. And she never eats sauce with them. So, Daddy and I have put together a little compilation of different sauces. So, the challenge is Addie is going to try each one. She's going to dip a nugget in each one, take a bite, and then go on to the next one, take a bite, and in the end you have to tell me which you like the best. Can you do it, Addie?
Yeah.
Can you complete this challenge?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see how she does it. She's a professional. All right, dip one. Can you identify it?
What does it taste like?
You can take another bite of it if you want. If you don't know.
It tastes like chicken and sauce.
What kind of sauce?
Oh, what kind of sauce, silly? Daddy left out a... Good job! Daddy left out a vegetable. But that's Daddy. It's okay. Ketchup! Good job. All right. How about the next one? So we got ketchup.
Yeah, I'm working up a nice one. What's that Johnny kid gonna be done party playing?
What is that one?
It was so nice seeing Mavis laughing and hitting it off with them. Who's sitting
It is
Mavis could never be.
I don't know the name of it.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like
Seen our kinds like
Is it tangy or sweet?
it tastes like sweet.
Sweet? Okay. Do you like that one?
No.
No, you don't like that one. Okay, what's the next one?
I have red curly hair. Well, how was I supposed to know that?
She's so funny. In the background. I know. Oh. We'll get you some chicken. How's that one?
It's a little spicy to me.
It's a little spicy. Okay, do you like that one?
Almost.
Almost? Okay, we're getting closer. Two more. What's that one?
I don't know the name of this one.
Do you like it?
No.
No? Okay, next.
I can't believe you stuck around, man. You don't
Ashman, what you fussing about back there? How's that one, Addie?
This one's good.
Good. You like that one? Are you going to use that one to eat?
Yes.
I bet I know what that one is. Do you know what it is?
Is the McDonald's?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And what flavor is it?
It's barbecue.
Perfect. High five. So did we find a sauce that you like that you can eat your nuggets with now?
Yeah.
Awesome.